Hey, and welcome to our tip of the day. Again, today we are going to randomly create your tip. So we're going to just have a random number generator, pick a number for a page inside Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices from Ramesh Gulati, the number one source for maintenance and reliability information. And, well, we just are going to prove that we know our shit. So we're going to give you a tip on a random page. Let's go to our random number generator. Generate our random number. 438, that's going to be awfully close to the last tip we did. But that's what this is all about. We have no choice. So let's go to 438. Don't forget to follow along in your copy. If you don't have a copy, go to Amazon.com and get a copy of Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices, which is currently number one in maintenance engineering. So 438 is actually a table of, it says, an overview of the working generations. So this talks about Generation X versus Generation Y versus Generation Z. And so we want to understand the delta between some of those things. Oh, yeah. It talks about what their aspirations were, like baby boomers. It was all about job security when we had pensions and things of that nature. And now pensions are gone. And we're complaining that the newer generation, Generation Z, doesn't stick around. Well, companies made that happen. Companies eliminated pensions. You unhooked the employee from the company, and now you're complaining that no one has loyalty. Well, you got exactly what you asked for when you remove those. In addition, we've got the skill trades gap, right? So after Generation X, my generation, all decided we need to go to college. And throughout the end of Generation X and into Generation Y, trade schools got defunded by the federal government. No Child Left Behind happened. So we taught people what to think instead of how to think. And all kinds of things are contributing to the scenario that we're in today. And because of that, we either need to have our machines smarter or require lower skill level to take care of them, which means we have to engineer them differently so that they're simpler, right? Things like we've now got tire sensors on the car, so we have detectability, so people don't have to go check or use a skill set to check the pressure in their tire. And so we have to do the same thing inside our plants. These generational gaps are not because people want to be that way. Society, government, all kinds of things contribute to how the next generation thinks and feels and is educated. And we have to acknowledge that and make our plants profitable and reliable regardless of what that scenario is. And regardless of what the generation's, makeup is. And so for us and for you, acknowledging that there is a difference is the first step. And B, having a plan and a strategy to help understand how you can be successful given the generational expectations is really important. So take a look at this table, understand the differences between the generations and how they think and how they enjoy work and what they like and what they don't like, so that you can have an appropriate plan to still be successful in maintenance and reliability regardless of the generational gap. Okay, so that's today's tip. Go make tomorrow better than today.